Stop wasting time reflashing your USB drive every time you want to try a new Linux distro, installing an operating system, or run a repair tool. That old way is slow, clunky, and a thing from the past. Today I will show you Ventoy. It's the one open source tool that lets you turn a single USB drive into a multi-boot powerhouse. You literally just drag and drop ISO files and it works. This is the last bootable USB drive you will ever need, so stick around because it will only take 5 minutes. Hello everyone and welcome back to Libre-Data. If you are like me, you probably have 10 or even 20,000 USB sticks. One for Ubuntu, one for Debian, one for Windows, and I don't know what more. But with today's tool, you can trash all of them, because you will only need one USB stick, and it's for Ventoy. So without taking much of your time, let's get into it. To download the tool, go to ventoy.net. Go to Downloads. Select your OS. I'm on Linux, so I will download this. I don't accept, and download. And it's downloaded, so right click and extract. Open it. I like to use the web version, so I have to open this file, so I will right click here and open in console. Here I will say chmod +x, what was its name? Ventoy web, and hit enter. Now type sudo /ventoy web. It's telling me it is running now, so let's copy this and paste it in the web browser. Make sure to select the correct USB device and click on install. Yes. Yes, one more time. And that's it. Now if I remove the USB stick and insert it again, and as you can see, my PC have already detected Ventoy. So let's copy some ISO files and paste in Ventoy. And it's done. So let's plug this USB stick to a PC and see how this bad boy looks like. Turn on your PC and click on F12 to open the boot menu. Depending on the motherboard, the boot menu key may be different, but with some Google you will find it. For me it is F12. And select boot from USB stick. And as you can see, here are all ISO files we have uploaded to the USB stick. If I want to boot with Debian, let's say, I can just select it and hit enter. And that's it. Now I can save all my ISO files on this one USB stick. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment. This is Libre-Data and we are just getting started. See you in the next time.